This next story is one of the biggest issues that voters say they care about as we look ahead to the November election. It's a situation at the U.S. Mexico border. The Biden administration recently issued a brand new border security regulation, and our Ken Molestina is explaining how it's not going to impact asylum seekers.
So put simply, this new regulation would allow asylum officers to reject migrants earlier in the process. There are certain bars that already exist that make some ineligible for asylum. And this includes if the asylum seeker has been convicted of committing a serious crime or if they pose a threat to national security. Right now, those bars are still considered, but at a later step in the process by an immigration judge. Under the new proposal, an asylum officer would be empowered to use these bars during the credible fear interview, where it's determined whether the asylum seeker's claim is valid. It happens soon after a migrant enters the country.
The problem with it is it's requiring these asylum officers in a short period of time to make very complicated decisions.
Paul Hunker is currently a partner at immigration law firm DMCA, formerly the chief counsel for U.S. Immigrations and Customs Enforcement in Dallas. In most cases, at the time of the credible fear interview, migrants have not had a chance to consult with a lawyer. Data kept by Syracuse University shows that in all immigration court proceedings, representation makes a huge difference in a case's outcome. Of the 1.2 million cases in Texas since 1998, 835,000 ended with a removal order. 711,000 cases involved migrants without legal representation.
It can be hard for people who have suffered a lot of trauma coming north often to articulate why they're entitled to asylum.
Hunker says the concern is that if these complicated decisions are rushed, mistakes could be made.
The cost is that people who weren't convicted of particularly serious crimes are going to be found to be convicted of particularly serious crimes. The non-citizens that really are entitled to apply for asylum are going to be prevented from applying for asylum.
A reminder for you, asylum is enshrined in U.S. law and is eligible for people that are fleeing their home country if they fear persecution due to race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion.
What else do you think could be beneficial for the Biden administration to propose? People
should have an opportunity to present their claim on the border, not in a summary way. We can't rush that. Whatever we do on the border to make things better, it has to give people the full opportunity to apply for that relief.
This new regulation is not in effect yet. There's a 30-day public comment period that runs until June 12th. I'm Ken Molestina, CBS News, Texas.